Hello guys! Welcome to my channel again. This is Arnolfo, an entertainer in Bisdak. And for today's video guys, magluluto ako ng vegetable soup with coconut milk. Ayan po, nagpakulo ako ng tubig ngayon at ilalagay ko na ang aking lemongrass, ginger, and onion. Ayan. Tapos, ilagay ko na ang aking pumpkin. Ayan. Ilagay natin yung aking pumpkin. Yung kalabasa ko. Ayan, nalaglag. Ayan. Luto tayo ng gulay, guys. Kasi, na-miss ko yung pagkain namin sa probinsya. Yung pagkain sa mga mahihirap. Ayan po. Ayan. Palalambutin ko yan muna. At ang halo dyan is alugbati, spinach, and string beans, and malunggay. Okay. Ayan, malambot na guys ang aking kalabasa. Ayan, lagay natin ang ating batong string beans. Ayan. Tapos, ilagay natin ang ating spinach. Sabay-sabay na natin yan. Ay, ang lakas ng kapoy. Ayan. Tapos, pag naano na yan, kulo, ilagay natin ang ating malunggay, ang ating gata. Coconut milk and malunggay next. Okay. Sarap yan. Nagugutom ako. Ayan, kulo na. Ilagay natin ang ating malunggay. Sarap yan. This is our vegetable soup in the province of Philippines. Yes. Yan. Sarap yan. Tapos, yan, vegetable soup. Very healthy. At, ilagay na natin ang ating coconut milk. Ayan, our coconut milk. Wow. That's it. Pakuluan natin ng maayos. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Kain na tayo after this. Wow. Sarap. See? Pumpkin, ang kalabasa, ang batong, ang sitaw, ang long string beans, and spinach, and moringa. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. Super yummy. Wow. Done already, guys. So let's eat. I have bagoong, anchovy, shrimp, and then with rice on it. Ayo, sarap. Ngita tagbahaw ani dahil ginamos na may sili. Woo! Yummy. Okay. Let's try it. Wow. Super yummy. Super nice. Super delicious, the soup. And very healthy. Green leafy vegetables is good for your health. Remember that. Wow. Okay, that's it. Ready to eat. Ciao, ciao! So, ang aking partner sa ako ang gulay. May vegetable soup. Agoy. Ito ang partner ko, guys. Yan, bagoong na small shrimp. Anchovy, small shrimp. Ayan. Lagyan ko ng sili. Yummy. Let's eat! Let's eat, guys! Ito yung niloto ko, gulay. Ayan. May vegetable coconut milk. Ayan. At saka bagoong. Ayan, ouch! Na may sili. Yabo na. At rice. Kain! Kain tayo, guys. Kain! Gulay. Yung niluto ko na gulay. Ayan. Sarap. Bagoong na may sili. Wow. Sili. Sarap. Sarap ni Maya. May maanghang. Sarap siya, guys. Grabe. Kain tayo. Vegetables. Sarap. Nag-crave ako ng binubihan ng utan. Gulay na may gata. Sarap. Tapos may bagoong na sili. Wow. Kain, guys, kain. Sarap ng bagoong. Sarap na rin. Wow. Very yummy. Lamig siya kayo. Okay, yung utan, guys. Lamig siya. Ano pang utan sa probinsya. Bagoong. Rice is life. Sarap. Super yummy. In the Philippines, in my province, this is how we cook the vegetables. You boil it, put coconut milk. For me, it's healthy. Oh. Bagoong. Spicy. More rice. Ubus ang kanin. Sarap. Vegetable soup. I know most of you don't know what kind of vegetables this one, but in my place in the Philippines is very delicious vegetables. It's very healthy for us. Malagam. Sarap pag may partner ng tuyo. Bagoong lang, sarap na. I'm so hungry, guys. Tawad. Sarap. Tapos na hati ang soup. Guys, siya guys. Sarap. Very delicious the soup. Vegetable soup. With coconut nut. Kain tayo guys. Sabayan niyo ako. Sarap. Sarap pala bumili. Wow. I finished all the rice. I finished the anchovy, stream anchovy. I finished the soup, vegetable soup. Goes very well. Very healthy. My tummy is very satisfying. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day to all of you and God bless. Bye.